is Tara Smiley with DeRosa Group and T Multifamily. So as you can see behind me, it's the holiday season. And so one of the things that I'm most excited about doing this week is we are going and traveling to Winston to take our portfolio of 3 properties there and the site team, and we're taking them out to lunch. And so super jammed to have, 3 hours with 16 people at one of our favorite restaurants. Fantastic food, fantastic conversation, and really, aside from just the fact that it's fun and it's a great way to celebrate with the team, an event like this is, it's very important to do on a regular basis. You are helping to knit and integrate that team on the PM side, those site staff, with the ownership and the asset management team. And it serves a really functional purpose because it helps bind those 2 groups of people. Even though, technically it's easy on paper to go, it's the same job, they're working for the same goals. It's true, but you want to make sure that the site team understands the what, the why, and the how, right? And one of the best ways to do that is to just spend time with them, get to know them as human beings, get to know them as a team, how that team works, how they work well, where some areas to boost their skill sets or some, backfill some gaps and some holes. And so, we're gonna spend 3 hours telling stories, laughing, doing the remember this thing, oh my God, do you remember that apartment and how horrible it was? And do you remember that Mrs. Kravitz resident, right? And we'll also get to spend, from an ownership side, get to spend some time telling them about the year in review. Hey, this worked so well. We're so proud of you. And we fell short on this, and here's why I think, but what's your feedback, guys? What do you think could have been done differently or done better to achieve the desired result? And then following that, here's where we're hoping, here's our goals for the next year. Here's what we're looking for from you. And we are going to ask them to give us an honest, candid answer as to what they need from us, right? Is it more support? Is it more funding? Is it taking funding from here because we actually need it over here instead? We need their feedback, and we need them to know that they're an integral part of our success. So go have a fantastic holiday party with your teams. Spend the time. Genuinely make the efforts to cement and knit those relationships together so that you're a unified front, all working towards the same goals for this property or this portfolio. And have some really good food in the meantime. Happy holidays, everybody.